How to add dark mode on Gate.io application. Are you guys facing issues to turn on dark mode on Gate.io application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Gate.io on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now again click on your username. Click on preferences. After you click on preferences, you can see multiple options over here. Just tap on theme. If you want to change it to dark mode, then just select dark mode. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna change to dark mode on Gate.io application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Gate.io application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one.